Meeru the Meerkat asked her mom if she could go out of the house to meet her friends. "Sure, just be careful," said Mama Meerkat. When Meeru goes out, she sees Dalia the donkey, Tito the turkey, Raano the reindeer, and Lolo the lamb holding garbage bags. Along with her friends, many of her class fellows and their families were there too. Her friend Dalia says everyone is pitching in and cleaning the area today. She asked Meeru if she would like to volunteer. Meeru said, "Sure," Ellen asked for a garbage bag. There was garbage everywhere. Meeru walked to pick up candy wrappers, juice pouches, newspapers, and apple cores. It was really gross. After an hour, she had filled 3 garbage bags. Her friends filled a lot of garbage bags too. Raano the reindeer even bed up the hill to clean everything up. When everyone was finished, Mrs. Honeybee loaded the filled garbage bags into his pickup truck to take them to the dump. Everyone was worried if the bags would burst open, but Mrs. Honeybee assured everyone that it won't happen. The area looked great. They put up all signs around the park that read, "Please place garbage in garbage bins and help keep the area clean." Everyone washed their hands. The parents bought warm pizza, onion rings, and lemonade for everyone who helped clean the place. When they were eating food, Meeru, Dalia, Tito, Raano, and Lolo decided to make more posters and do this garbage picking drive every month. This would help create more awareness. After they ate, Meeru and her friends made sure to put their garbage into the garbage bins.